In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HubSpot forms to WordPress pages and posts. This process is a fantastic way to seamlessly integrate your marketing tools, allowing you to capture leads directly from your website and sync them with your HubSpot account effortlessly. Let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. To get started, you'll need to navigate to your trial guide on HubSpot. Open your browser and head over to the HubSpot website. Once you're logged in, look for the section labeled Sales Hub Professional. This is where you'll find the trial guide that will lead us into the marketplace where all the magic happens. With the trial guide open, you should see a button labeled Marketplace. It's usually right there on your dashboard, so go ahead and give that a click. The HubSpot Marketplace is a treasure trove of apps and integrations that can supercharge your marketing efforts. Our next step involves finding the right application to connect HubSpot with WordPress. Within the Marketplace, you will find various options. We need to focus on the Apps section, so please locate and click on that. Here's where we'll find the WordPress Connector app, crucial for embedding HubSpot forms onto your WordPress site. Now, in the search bar, type WordPress. This will help us quickly locate the WordPress app that HubSpot offers. You'll see a few search results populate, but we're looking specifically for HubSpot's WordPress app. It should show up near the top of your search results. Once you see it, click on WordPress. This will take you to the app's information page, where you can see details about what this integration offers, such as syncing your contact forms and other features. Once you're there, you should see an Install App button. Clicking here will kick off the integration process and link HubSpot directly to your WordPress. Follow any additional on-screen prompts to ensure the installation is completed correctly. Remember, if at any point you get stuck or aren't sure about a step, HubSpot's customer support and community forums are excellent resources to turn to. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully integrated HubSpot forms into your WordPress site. Now you can start collecting data from visitors right through your pages and posts, streamlining your marketing operations and enhancing your web presence. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helped you seamlessly bring HubSpot's power to your WordPress environment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might also benefit. Happy marketing!